I'm here with Lili, who's going to be co-hosting a workshop at Brewing Agile 2024. You want to tell us a little bit about that?
Hi, Jeff. Yes, so we are going to help people learn how to master difficult conversations. That's a topic that I feel really excited and passionate about. But basically, what we would like is that people will get this clear map that lays out the various options and routes they can take when they need to engage in a conversation with others and they anticipate that that conversation might become difficult. We primarily focus on work situations, but of course, these are universally applicable insights, whether it's with your partner, your kids, friends, etc. And what we want to do is explore different tools and techniques that will enable us to, first of all, minimize the risk of conversations becoming difficult, to offer some guidance on how to initiate those conversations and how to guide them. And most importantly, I think this is the more difficult part, how to respond to accusations and complaints from other people in a way that minimizes the risk of escalation and increases the chances for us to maintain good relationships with each other. We want to go deep into understanding some relationship dynamics and polarities that are often lay at the root of these kinds of situations. But we also want to lay out the basic patterns of behavior that are helpful in such situations, and connect those with S3 patterns. Because as you know, our main purpose with S3 is to identify and describe behavior patterns that support people to collaborate more effectively. And when you collaborate with others, it's inevitable. There's going to be some kind of friction. So learning how to manage those interactions in a good way, it's essential. Basically, that's it. Yeah,
That sounds really cool. And I can say, having gone on your S3 course many years ago now, I think you guys are really great at providing actionable tools, like useful, specific things that you can do, which it sounds like you're aiming to do in this one as well. I know I took a lot of valuable stuff away from
totally actionable tools is my middle name.
it. Great. Then we look forward to seeing you in November and seeing everybody there at the workshop.
Yeah, I'm really excited to be there and reconnect with you and all the community in Gothenburg. We have lots of old friends from there. So, and I enjoyed very much the conference as well. So I'll see you then.
See you then. Thanks.